Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Flexispot Y2pro air purifier. I already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great air purifier to have in your house, in your basement, in your office. This Flexispot air purifier works just as well as any premium brand out there and is great for the budget. I like using this to help me with the allergy season and any smoke in the house, or even when you're cooking foods and the house starts smelling. You just turn this on and it will clean the air quickly and efficiently and quietly. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me show you all the features and how well that this Flexispot Y2pro air purifier works. So this is how the unit looks. Here's your digital display screen. This is how you control everything. Here's the grate on top. Sucks in the air. On the back, this is where you change your filter. You pull this down, and there's your large filter that you can clean and take out. This back has the magnetic here, so it's easy to take on and off. This air purifier is very portable. It has wheels that you can roll around and even lift it up if you need to move it. So when you first turn on the unit, you press this power button here, and you can see that it has 3 different fan speeds, and even has the automatic speed. So the benefit of the automatic speeds is that it adjusts the purification intensity based on real-time air quality. It also detects not just PM 2.5 like most air purifiers do, but it also detects the larger particles like pollen, bacteria, spores, and even viruses. So if you want to use the PM 10, you press this PM 10 button, and then it's automatically going to clean the bigger particles out there. This air purifier also has a 3-stage filtration system. So this uses the H13 HEPA filter, and it captures 99.99% particles. This air purifier is so efficient that it can clean a room 1,059 square foot in about 30 minutes for large rooms or open plan space. And you can hear the sound that it barely makes any noise when it's on the automatic mode. So the maximum noise level is about 60 decibels with the sleep mode as low as 35 decibels. So let me show you the different fans. See, press that. That's the first speed. Then go second speed. And third speed is your highest speed. And there's your night mode. And then we'll go back to the automatic. If you want to set the timer, you can set a timer here. It goes anywhere from 2 hours all the way up to 8 hours. If you want to turn on the child lock, you press this for 3 seconds, and then it sets the child lock on. So now if your little ones is walking around and playing, that they will not disturb the air purifier. And if you want to take it off, you just long press it again for 3 seconds. If you want to turn off the light, you press this no light button there. So this air purifier is great for anybody that wants to clean the air that they're sitting in, especially DIYers who like to paint. It cleans the paint smell. Pet owners, it picks up all the pet-related allergens, hairs, and odors. And even when you're cooking, it'll clean the air from this food smell. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com.